Welcome back to our series of video on building this CSS artwork here. So this is what we are trying to build, and so far this is what we've been able to come up with. Now this is going to be the last video in this playlist. Okay, so let's wrap it up. So starting with step 81, we want to select the ID with the value of guitar right. So we'll say hash guitar right, and we are going to set the position to absolute. So position to absolute. Next up, we want to set the left value to 100 pixels. Okay, all right, moving on, you need to move the bar icons into place. So these icons here, let's move them into place. So we want to create a class selector with a dot. That's how you create a class selector. We select the class FA bars, and we'll say set display to block. We also give it a margin top of 30%. Let's also give it a left margin, so margin left with a value of 40%. Okay, so now our icons are in place. Right, for step 83, we want to use an ID selector for guitar neck. So say guitar neck. Let's give it a width and height. So the value of the width is going to be 200 pixels. The value of the height is going to be 30 pixels. And let's give it some background color. And the color we want to use is this right here. So I'm just going to copy it and then paste it like so. Great. So now we have our guitar neck, but it is behind this one. That's not where we want it. You see, this is where we want the guitar neck. So let's work on that. So move the guitar neck element with a position. So first, let's give it a position of absolute. Let's give it a top value. Top values, just top 45 pixels. Let's give it a left value of 200 pixels. Okay, there you go. Our guitar is now complete. All right, so give the guitar neck element a z index of 3. So because we don't want anything to be covering it, so we just give it a z index of 3. Okay, time to style the element with the eyes class. So let's select the eyes, and let's give them a width of 35 pixels, a height of 20 pixels, a background color of this right here. I'm just going to copy it. Okay, and let's do a border radius of 20 pixels, and then 50%. Uh, 50%. Okay. All right, so there we have our eyes here. Now we need to work on the positioning. Let's do that in the next step. So want to give them so let's let the targets with the class of right. Let's give them a position of absolute, a top value of 15 pixels, a right value of 30 pixels. Okay, now let's work on the left. So choose the left class. We'll give them a position of absolute. We'll give it a top value of 15 pixels, and then a left value of just 30 pixels. All right, so that should be it. Okay, yeah, so I think we've managed to build the artwork. So as you can see, yeah, we have done it. All right, so one last step. The font awesome icons are a little too small. Okay, yeah, so comparing this to this, we can see that this is quite large. So target all of them with a class selector of FAS. So .fas, and let's give it a font size. Let's say 30 pixels. Okay, so now we are done. All right, so we've done it. So congratulations if you followed along all throughout. And yeah, so we've built it. This is the final thing that we've built. Okay, so I will be posting videos for the next ones as well. So far we've done all of these. So the next one I'll be posting a video on is learn responsive web design by building a piano. Okay, so do well to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye bye.